They look really nice, so you can see that they're done well on both sides. So friends, today's video is how to make the frozen chicken wings crispy. So I kept them out for about a couple of hours and they're not frozen anymore. So I added some yogurt to it, about a tablespoon, and then I'll add some Kashmiri red chili powder to give some good color, maybe like half a teaspoon, and some coriander powder, some like a half a teaspoon garam masala. Then I'll add some ginger powder. So I don't want to add ginger paste because we don't want to add too much moisture to it. We already added some yogurt, so I'll add some ginger powder. You can easily get this from any Indian grocery store. And then we can add some garlic powders. Again, I'm not adding garlic paste, I'm adding garlic powder. And we will add some cumin powder. And if you have some black rock salt, that will give a good flavor. So add some black rock salt. You can get this from Indian grocery store. This has a good flavor. And salt is as per taste. So we will mix this well, and then and of course we'll add some olive oil to it, and then we'll mix this up. So maybe like 2 teaspoons of olive oil, maybe like 3, and we will air fry these. So first we'll mix this well and then air fry these. So friends, we are going to preheat the air fryer first. I'm preheating to 400 degrees and we'll air fry it after it's done. Okay friends, so the air fryer is preheated. We'll spray some olive oil on the basket so that the chicken wings don't stick on it. And then we will place the wings, we'll try to place them like in a single layer, not one on top of the other. And we can spray some more olive oil on the chicken wings. We already put some olive oil in the marinade, but we can spray some more on them. And then we are going to air fry them for about 10 minutes. We'll check them and then we'll flip them over. You have to keep checking when you air fry the chicken wings. So friends, the time is almost over. We'll check these and then we'll flip this on the other side. So friends, we air fried these for about 12 minutes on 400 degrees, and this one side it looks amazing. Then it has a nice color. You can see it's almost like tandoori chicken. And you can see the spices, the coriander, and the color is because of the Kashmiri red chili powder. So now we are going to flip these on the other side and then cook them for another 10 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll see. But they look great on this side. So let's flip them over. So friends, I have flipped them over. So we will give them another 10 to 12 minutes. And we'll take a look. So friends, our air fried chicken wings are ready. We gave them 12 minutes on the first side, then another 12 minutes on the second side, and they look really nice. So you can see that they're done well on both sides, and they are pretty crispy. So we'll plate them now, and we'll serve them with some ready-made mint chutney that I have. So friends, we are going to serve this with mint chutney. I have a ready-made mint chutney, so you just shake this bottle. See, it says shake it to wake it, so just give it a shake, and then you can enjoy these chicken wings with the mint chutney. Dip it and enjoy. It tastes really good and very crunchy. So friends, this is it. This is the video for today. I hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.